from Only Paitani, and I hope you all are well and safe at home, or some of you must have started traveling already. I'm here today to show you some of the Paitanis from the new collection. All are in pure silk, what I'm showing you today, and all with a lot of traditional pallus and borders going. I'll start off you with a beautiful pomegranate pink with the orange border, a lovely traditional border, traditional pallu, and here you will see a line of dancing peacocks just above the pallu. Something really different, a small addition which really adds so much to this sari. Very traditional colors, very festive colors. The next one we have here is a baby pink paitani in pure silk again, and a bright pink border. The traditional pallu, when I say, is typically a pallu with 7 pairs of peacocks. So basically 14 peacocks in total and 7 in pairs. Lovely paisley booties on this, and the border really adds a touch of color and brightness to the entire sari. A very subtle and beautiful combination, something for pastel lovers out there. Next one we have is a mustard golden yellow, a very traditional classic paitani shade, and contrast borders. Again, a lovely traditional pallu and a line of peacocks just above the pallus. This is how the sari would look. We also have something in everybody's favorite color, which is a black, and with a very pretty border this time, a deep magenta. Absolutely classic black. You can wear this for a cocktail and I'm sure you'll stand out from the crowd. Pair this with a sleeveless if you're wearing it for a cocktail or even a halter, and you will be taking the paitani to new dimensions. So the next set of paitanis we are having here are with something new and different. These are the ones with Sona Rupa buttas. So we have made these in gold and silver buttas. We'll post some close-up pictures so that you can make out. A lovely deep wine color with orange borders. And this is the antique shaded tissue pallu with peacocks woven all over it. The sari also has buttas running all through the sari, and so in the pleats also you will have the same amount of buttas. Very rich and elegant paitani. In the similar style we have another color, which is a midnight blue, and it has green borders, a kind of dull parrot green borders, not very shocking to the color, and again gold and silver buttas, and you will see a hint of silver in the pallu as well. Just a hint of silver, but overall it's a tissue, gold tissue pallu. Pretty peacocks woven here as well. An absolutely stunning shade of a paitani. Okay, one sari I missed out showing you from the previous styles, the traditional border one, was this lovely red, and it has kind of deep maroon borders. a different patchly when it comes, a different color combination when it comes to red, because normally we see red with typically a green border. This one, this border is really different. Pallu remains traditional with 7 pairs and paisley booties. Lovely red if you're looking for one. Again in the gold and silver borders, I have this pretty shade of, we call this the patchouli color. A lot of people would be knowing this shade as the patchouli color. It's a deep, rich magenta with a lovely sheen to it. You can pair this with it. All these sarees come with matching blouses. So when we talk about matching blouses in patchoulis, very rarely will you get a contrast blouse. Typically you will get a running blouse, but you can always go ahead and pair it with a contrast blouse. Alternatively, you can also pair it with something like this. This is not a handloom. Everything that we show on Only Patchni or we have on Only Patchni is always handloom, except for this kind of blouse materials which are not handloom, but these go very, very well with a lot of sarees. And if you're ordering online or with us, we also provide stitching services for your blouses. So if you don't have a reliable tailor, trust us, we have a very reliable one, and we have been getting very good reviews for the blouses that whoever have gotten them stitched. So the next one we have here is the color we call this is a turquoise or a Rama green color, and this one has the light orange borders, tissue borders, and peacocks all through the borders. This is the pallu. A different pallu, you'll see peacocks and parrots alternatingly on the pallu. A pretty shade, lovely for a day function or an evening function. In the same style, we have this another color. Again, one of the favorite colors and combinations we have always seen, which is liked by many. It's a lovely orchid color with pink borders and very pretty peacocks woven all along the border. This is the pallu. These sarees will be available very soon online and as well as at our boutique in Bangalore. This is the last one from this collection. A beautiful deep maroon with orange borders and again peacocks all along the border. If you have any queries, please DM us or or you can WhatsApp us on 9833767750. And stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.